In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to move content on Squarespace. If you've been looking to rearrange your website or shift elements for better aesthetic appeal or functionality, you're in the right place. So let's dive into the step-by-step process to reshuffle that content to your heart's content. First things first, you'll want to navigate to Squarespace. Easily done, just open up your favorite web browser and type in Squarespace's website address. Once there, the next step is to access your account, and to do that, you'll need to click on the login button prominently displayed on the page. Now, Squarespace offers a seamless way to log in using your Google account, which is not only quick but secure. Go ahead and select the Continue with Google option. Upon clicking, if you have multiple Google accounts, you'll need to choose the one linked to your Squarespace account. Click on the relevant Google account to proceed. Once you're logged in, the next step is to navigate to your website's dashboard. This is where all the magic happens, from editing content to tweaking your site's design. You can do this by locating and clicking on your website under the My Sites section, or by directly accessing your website's link if you have it bookmarked. Now, to begin moving content around, we need to enter the edit mode. On your website's dashboard, look for the edit option. This will switch your dashboard to edit mode, where you can interact directly with your website's content and layout. After entering edit mode, the next step involves selecting the block or content you wish to move. Squarespace's platform is built on a block system, which means your content, be it text, images, or videos, is encapsulated within blocks. Simply click on the block that holds the content you want to move. Once you've selected the block, you'll notice that when you hover over it, your cursor will change to a hand icon. This indicates that the block can be moved. Take a moment to position your cursor just right. When you're ready, click and hold, then drag the block to its new location. You'll see that moving content around is as simple as dragging and dropping. Remember, precision is key. Take your time to place the block exactly where you want it within the section. Squarespace's interface will show guidelines and snap points to help you align content with the rest of your site's design seamlessly. Finally, once you're satisfied with the new placement of your content, make sure to hit the Save button. This is crucial as unsaved changes will be lost if you navigate away from the edit mode, and that's it. You've successfully moved content on your Squarespace website. As you can see, the process is intuitive and straightforward. But don't hesitate to experiment with different layouts and arrangements until you find the perfect setup for your site. Remember, the beauty of Squarespace is in its flexibility and ease of use, allowing you to bring your vision to life with just a few clicks. So go ahead, give your website that fresh look you've been dreaming about. Happy editing!